All right, so this one's really straightforward, but it didn't have you actually click in the right spot. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to select the layer and you're going to come up to select and subject. So we're letting Adobe's AI find the main subject. This works really well when there's a solid background. Then we're going to make a mask. So now there's nothing behind there. We're going to hit next. You'll notice on the mask, black hides everything, white reveals. You go to next, and now we're going to command click. This is just a shortcut to make a new layer below the layer you have selected. And then we're going to choose the eyedropper. Now it keeps mentioning over the couch mark. That's that little dot in the corner. You want to make sure eyedropper is selected and you're going to click next. And this is where it was messed up. You need to come in here and you need to select some portion of the glasses. So I'm going to make this so that now purple is the front instead of black. So I'm just going to come up, grab that purple. Now when I go to edit and fill, I can fill with the foreground color. That's this one. I have options of fill with a black background color, or I could do fill with color and choose my own color. So there's a lot of different options you can choose, like patterns and black and all that. But for this, since we already sampled it with the eyedropper, we're just going to say keep the foreground color and click OK. And now that filled the whole thing. And I click on next and save the file, and you're done.